Hello students, myself Manish welcome you all dears on my YouTube channel Misalishri 2.0. This video is being uploaded by Satyam Sishasaran and we and our teams are working very hard for your bright future, so you should also cooperate for them. And in this video we are going to talk about quadratic equation solution. In the previous video we have already discussed how to solve quadratic equation, and I have already taught you the different method which are following: quadratic formula, factorization method, completing a square method, and so on. Earlier I have told you that you should continue your solution from your book, textbook, R.S. Agarwal, R.D. Sharma, or any other book or any other competitive book. I hope you will enjoy and you will continue your solution. And I also noticed that some students got typical problem, and they have sent many questions on my personal WhatsApp. And in this video we are going to continue the solution of those videos with that types of typical question. And I hope any types of doubt, any types of hesitation will be removed from this video. And I also hope that you all students will cooperate with me at the last of the video. So I request you, all my dears and all my viewers, please be with me at the last of the video. We will continue this video from the questions that you have sent to my WhatsApp number. Okay, let's move on. First question. Here is your question on your whiteboard screen. This question was sent 2 days before on my WhatsApp, and such types of questions are rarely very typical, and many students become very confused that how to solve with factorization method, with completing a square method, or any method. But these types of questions are mainly based on to solve by factorization method, and in this video I will tell you how to solve. You will notice that a square minus b square is seeming here constant term. A square minus b square is seeming here constant term. These are constant term. The format of quadratic equation is already remembered to you. The format is what? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. This is the basic format of quadratic equation. So there ax square plus bx plus c, this means what? A square minus b square is here the constant term. A square minus b square is here the constant term. It is seeming here that it is variable, but it is not variable. Although if we use a is variable, b is variable, x is variable, many types of variable we use, but here a square minus b square is seeming what? It is a constant term. And how to solve? First of all, we have to write the two terms of the question as it is. 4x square minus 4ax, and you know the formula of a square minus b square is what? It is a plus b into a minus b equal to 0. In first step we have to do only the factorization of the constant term. Such types of problem consist of basic formula a square minus b square. So where a square minus b square, the factorization of it is what? A plus b into a minus b. Next, what will be the next step? You will have to write 4x square, and on the place of minus 4ax we have to write the factorization. On the place of minus 4ax we have to write the factorization. Try to understand. This step is very crucial. On the place of minus 4ax we will have to write to what? The factorization we have already discussed. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b, and on the place of minus 4ax we will have to write the factorization we have already done. But how to write? Minus in the bracket a plus b plus a minus b. There is not the plus symbol between the a plus b into a minus b, but on the place of minus 4ax we have to write a plus b plus a minus b. Close the bracket. and put the variable at the last of the bracket. Here is the variable x. At the last of the bracket, we have done what? A plus b into a minus b plus a minus b, and at the last of the bracket we have closed the variable. Now, if you calculate it, what will you notice that a plus a equal to 2a plus b minus b equal to dismissed. This means 0. This means what? We got only 2a. But we will have to put here 4a. On the calculation we got what? 2a. But in the question it is given that minus 4a. Then we will have to put the coefficient as 2. Once again, a plus b into a minus b. I put here on the place of minus 4ax a plus b, but on the place of multiplication we put here plus a minus b, and after calculation we got that b we dismiss, a plus a equal to 2a. This means 2a, but in the question it is given that 4a. To complete 4a, we will have to write here as the coefficient equal to 2. Now write the formula as it is: a plus b into a minus b equal to 0. Next, 4x square. Now multiply here again and again. Minus 2 multiplied with the bracket a plus b, and minus 2 also multiplied with a minus b. We will have to multiply minus 2 with a plus b and also a minus b. Then what we get? Minus 2 and also x into a plus b. Once again, minus 2x into a minus b, and at the last a plus b into a minus b equal to 0. In this step, we multiplied minus 2 and x with a plus b and a minus b. In this step, minus 2x, minus 2 into x, minus 2x and a plus b. Multiplied minus 2 a plus b and x. Minus 2 a plus b and x. We have got what? Minus 2x into a plus b minus 2ax into a minus b. Any doubt? In case of any doubt, you should must comment on this channel. Now, we have to put common. We have to put common outside in next step. 4x square minus 2x. Easily you can put it common, 2x. Now what will you get? Here remaining 2x minus a plus b. Close the bracket. Next, in this step and in this step, we will also have to put common a minus b and a minus b. Now common is minus a minus b. Then after putting common, we find what? 2x plus a plus b equal to 0. Once again, in both steps we put out common 2x, remaining part 2x minus a plus b. In both steps we put the common a minus b. Then what we notice that the remaining part 2x, and here minus will be, here will be minus. Now in both terms we notice that here 2x minus a plus b, here also 2x minus a plus b. In both terms 2x minus a plus b and 2x minus a plus b. Then we can once again put out common 2x a minus b, a plus b, 2x a plus b. When you will put common 2x minus a plus b, then in this place we got 2x only, and in this place we got minus a minus b equal to 0. Now either this part or this part will be equal to 0. When we equate 2x minus a plus b equal to 0 and also 2x minus a minus b equal to 0, we find that now after equating we got 2x equal to a plus b and x equal to a plus b by 2. Here is the first root of the given equation, and also in this part 2x equal to a minus b, and also x equal to a minus b by 2. Here will be the next root. So first root of the equation is a plus b by 2 and a minus b by 2. Note down it with full attention, and similar question will be solved by me after this question. First you should note down it. Thank you. Move on to next question. This question is also similar to the previous question. There is nothing the difference between previous question and this question, but we will have to capture the concept. What the concept of the capture? Such types of critical problems will be solved by the same method. Now mention here, we'll have to done what? 4x square. In first step, we will have to complete only the formula of a square minus b square. We got that. We can write it a square plus b square into a square minus b square equal to 0. Because a to the power minus 4 minus b to the power minus 4 is the same base of the formula of a square minus b square. Next, 4x square. Now we will have to put what? Inside the bracket we will have to put this formula minus bracket start, and we'll have to put a square plus b square plus a square minus b square, close the bracket, and put the variable at the last. Now after calculation we got b square plus b square minus will be dismissed. Remaining here a square plus a square will give us only 2a square, but according to question it is given that minus 4a square, and we got only 2a square. This means what? Before the bracket we will have to put 2 as a coefficient. Any doubt? After calculation we got what? b square and b square will be dismissed, and we got only a square and a square. This means what? 2a square. According to question it is given that minus 4a square. So to complete the question, to complete the property of the question, we will have to put 2 as the coefficient before the bracket. Now write the formula a square plus b square into a square minus b square equal to 0. Any doubt? Next we will have to multiply. Minus 2 and x will be multiplied with both the terms. Then 4x square minus 2x into a square plus b square minus 2x into a square minus b square, and at the last we will have to only copy a square minus b square into a square minus b square equal to 0. In this step we have done what? Minus 2 and x are multiplied with a square plus b square and with also a square minus b square. This means what? We got minus 2x into a square plus b square minus 2x with a square minus b square. Now we will have to put out common. Next step we have done what? We have to put out common. How we put common? Clearly it is seen that here 4x square and here minus 2x. Then we will put out the common 2x and we will get here 2x minus a square plus b square. I hope you are not getting any doubt. Here 2x, here also 2x. Then we put out the common 2x before the bracket. We got the first term, and 2x will be multiplied to get 4x square. Now here 2x will be out, then only a square plus b square will be remaining. And also in both terms we got here also a square minus b square and also here a square minus b square. Then we get the common as a part of a square minus b square. Put out it common, minus a square minus b square. So inside the bracket remaining part is 2x plus a square plus b square equal to 0. Now we notice that in both terms we get 2x minus a square plus b square. 2x here is plus, here will be minus. Look, minus 2x will be put out, minus 2x will be remaining here. Then inside the bracket here the negative sign, then inside the bracket the sign will be changed. It's my mistake. Here will not be plus sign, here will be minus sign. Now watch, 2x minus a square plus b square, and here also 2x minus a square plus b square. We got that both the terms consist of same terms. We put out it common. When we will put out common 2x minus a square plus b square, then we get in this term 2x will be remain, and in this term a square plus b square will be out. Then we get a square minus b square equal to 0. Now both the terms will be equal to 0. Either this side or this side will equal with 0. Now equating both the terms with 0, we got first 2x minus a square plus b square equal to 0, and also 2x minus a square minus b square equal to 0. Next, 2x equal to a square plus b square and x equal to a square plus b square by 2. Here will be the first root of the given equation, and in this step we find 2x equal to a square minus b square. This means what? A square minus b square by 2. Here is the both the roots of the given equation. The first root is what? A square plus b square by 2, and the second root is what? A square minus b square by 2. Watch it carefully. Try to understand the method and the language. And in case if you got any doubt, you should must comment. And in next video we will discuss the next method to the such types of typical questions of quadratic equation. Then sir, you should must stay safe and stay home. We will meet in next video. Then sir, thank you very much. Jai Hind.